Hey, Del. Thanks for putting all this together. So I guess my question is, I think since you founded Lifestyles and over the past almost 3 decades now, I think you have formed the core of what makes this organization what it is in terms of ethics, in terms of, the how to treat people. And what I'm curious about is, as Lifestyles goes into the next 30, 40, 50 years, how do you see maintaining that core culture?
There's 3 parts to lifestyle success, as I see it. And I've taken care as best I can to make sure that 2 of the 3 are maintained. One of them is the fact, or something that I call, and I think it's the most important part of lifestyles, is integrity. If there's anything that you'll find about myself and my belief about what you get as a customer here, is integrity. You may not like what I say, but you're going to get what I think, To be at Lifestyles, it is a commitment. It is a commitment to a set of beliefs that integrity and honesty is important. And if you can't play in that sandbox, then you don't belong here. The second thing, which is the easiest thing, is that I've increased the infrastructure of this company by millions of dollars a year in payroll. And I have maintained an infrastructure that will maintain itself past me. But the third one, which is the most difficult one to promise, that I can't really promise, I can only hope that someone else will promise, is that somebody else is going to have to step up and maintain that integrity and maintain the ability. And this is the only secret ability that I have on earth. It's not that I'm the best real estate investor. I'm not. It's not that I'm the smartest guy in the room. I'm not. But I have somehow been able to build relationships with people smarter than me and get them to come back and give back. I don't even know how I do it. But somebody's going to have to be able to do that. And to do that, you have to respect the people, because these people are smarter than you, and they are rich, and they are retired. And you're asking them to come back. And boy, I don't know how I do it. If somebody could tell me how I do it, we'll bottle it and make millions, right? But I'll tell you this, as you have mentors out there, God bless your mentors. These men and women are doing incredible things for you.